Hi everyone, welcome back to Global Desk with Damilola, your go-to space for mastering freelancing, working smart and earning in dollars. In today's video, we are diving into the top 50 in-demand skills for 2026. These are skills that will shape the future of online work and give you a competitive edge in the global freelancing space. So whether you're just starting or looking to level up, these are the skills that clients will be paying top dollar for in the coming years. So grab a notebook, stay tuned, and let's explore the future together. If my channel has been interesting to you and or helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and share so that other people who are interested in freelancing can see my videos. Thank you. The first on the list today is generative AI or prompt engineering. Generative AI is the backbone of tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Learning prompt engineering means mastering how to communicate with AI systems to get precise, high-quality results. This skill is opening doors for copywriters, designers, as well as data professionals who want to create smarter and faster workflows. The next is machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning teaches computers to learn from data and make decisions. Deep learning goes a step further by using neural networks that mimic the human brain. These technologies power everything from Netflix recommendations to autonomous vehicles. And freelancers who are skilled in ML or DL are in huge demand across industries. 3. Natural language processing or NLP. NLP helps computers understand and respond to human language. It is behind voice assistants, chatbots, and language translation apps. Freelancers who can build or apply NLP tools are highly sought after in tech, marketing, and research. The next on the list is AI model fine-tuning and custom model development. As AI evolves, companies need tailored models that fit their specific business data. Fine-tuning AI means adjusting pre-trained models for better accuracy and relevance. It is a rare technical skill that commands premium pay in today's market. The next is data science and advanced analytics. Data is the new gold, but only if you can interpret it. Data science combines statistics, coding, as well as business insight to turn raw data into smart decisions. Freelancers with analytics skills help brands understand trends, predict outcomes, as well as grow strategically. The next on the list is big data engineering and pipelines. Big data engineers design systems that handle massive amounts of information. They build data pipelines, which are the digital highways that move data smoothly between systems. This role is key for companies that run analytics, AI, or Internet of Things applications. The next on the list is cloud computing and architecture, AWS, Azure, GCP. Almost every modern business runs on the cloud. Learning platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud lets freelancers design, host, and scale digital solutions without needing expensive physical servers. Number 8 is serverless architectures and microservices. Serverless computing lets developers build and run apps without managing infrastructure. Microservices break big apps into smaller and more efficient parts. Together, they save time, they reduce costs, and are the future of web development. Number 9 on the list is edge computing and distributed system. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the devices that generate it, making it faster and more efficient. Think of smart cities, Internet of Things devices, as well as autonomous cars. This skill is shaping the next generation of connected technology. Number 10 on the list is cybersecurity and ethical hacking. As data grows, so does the need to protect it. Cybersecurity experts defend systems from digital attacks, while ethical hackers test those systems to find weaknesses. It is one of the highest paying tech fields, and it is very essential for every online business. Number 11 on the list is privacy engineering, and data compliance. As data becomes more valuable, protecting it becomes more critical. Privacy engineers design systems that safeguard personal information while ensuring compliance with global laws like GDPR. It is a skill that every tech-driven organization is now investing in. Number 12 today is blockchain and smart contract development. Blockchain is no longer just about crypto. Rather, it is now about trust and transparency in digital transactions. Developers who can build blockchain solutions or create smart contracts are powering innovations in finance, supply chains, as well as voting systems. The next is DevOps and infrastructure as code. DevOps bridges the gap between development and operations. The full meaning of DevOps is development and operations anyway, or development operations, making software delivery faster and smoother. With infrastructure as code, engineers can automate system scaling and maintenance. This saves time and reduces errors. It is a very core skill for modern tech teams. The next is API development and integration. APIs connect different apps and systems. Now, think of them as a digital messenger or digital messengers that help platforms talk to each other. Developers who can build and integrate APIs are the hidden force behind seamless user experiences and interconnected tools. Number 15 is full stack web development. Full stack developers can work on both the front end, that is what users see, and the back end, that is how it works, what puts it together behind the scene. It is one of the most versatile and in-demand tech roles, ideal for freelancers who want to handle complete websites or app projects. The next is UI UX design. User experience, that is UX, and user interface, that is UI design, are about creating apps and websites that people love to use. It combines psychology, creativity, and digital design. And these brands are paying top dollars for designers who can make products intuitive and beautiful. 17 is product design and management. Product designers and managers turn ideas into solutions that people actually need. They plan features, they test user feedback, as well as guide teams from concept to launch. It is a leadership skill that is very perfect for freelancers who want to manage entire digital projects. The next on the list is digital marketing and growth hacking. In today's online world, visibility is everything. Growth hacking and digital marketing focus on rapid, creative ways to attract and retain customers using analytics, ads, and social media. It is a must-have skill for anyone that is building a personal or business brand. Number 19 on the list today is content strategy and content marketing. Content is still king, whether you know it or not, but strategy is the crown. Content strategists plan what to say, how to say it, and where to say it to attract the right audience. Freelancers who are skilled in storytelling and SEO-driven writing have endless opportunities here. The next on the list is conversion rate optimization, CRO. Getting traffic is one thing, turning it into sales is another. CRO specialists analyze user behavior and tweak designs, copy, or layout to increase sign-ups and purchases. It is a high-value skill that directly impacts revenue, and clients love it, because who wouldn't love something that would increase one's revenue? The next on the list today is e-commerce and online retail management. Running an online store today means more than just selling products. It is about inventory, customer experience, payment systems, as well as marketing. Freelancers who master e-commerce can help brands build thriving digital storefronts that sell 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. This is round the clock. The next is email marketing automation. Email still converts better than social media, but the real power lies in automation, that is, sending the right message at the right time. Freelancers who understand email strategy, segmentation, as well as tools like MailChimp or HubSpot can help businesses grow on autopilot. The next is video production and editing. Video is the king of content, whether it is YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or brand ads. Every business needs eye-catching videos. Knowing how to shoot, how to edit, and how to tell a visual story makes you an indispensable freelancer in today's attention economy. The next is graphic design and visual communication. Good design isn't just pretty, it communicates meaning. Freelancers who are skilled in tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator can help brands stand out with visuals that attract and convert. It is a timeless creative skill that will always be in demand. 25 on our list today is data visualization, which includes Tableau, Power BI, and so on. Numbers tell stories, but visuals make them clear. That is why data visualization experts turn raw data into compelling charts and dashboards, which helps teams make smarter and informed decisions. It is perfect for analytical freelancers with an eye for design. 26 on the list today is business intelligence and reporting. Businesses run on insights, not guesses. That is why business intelligence professionals collect, analyze, and report data that guide strategy. Mastering tools like Power BI or Google Data Studio can make you a high-value consultant to data-driven companies. The next on the list today is digital collaboration tools like Notion, Asana, Miro, and so on. Remote work thrives on collaboration tools. Knowing how to set up and manage digital workspace helps teams stay aligned and productive. Freelancers who are fluent in Notion, Asana, or Miro can offer structure and clarity to any virtual project. 28 on the list is remote or asynchronous communication skills. In global teams, not everyone works at the same time. Being clear, responsive, and thoughtful in written communication is key. Freelancers who can collaborate effectively across time zones have a major edge in today's distributed work culture. 29 on the list today is self-management and time management. Freelancers offer freedom, but it demands discipline. Managing your time, setting priorities, as well as meeting deadlines without constant supervision is what separates amateurs from professionals. It is the backbone of a sustainable freelance career. The next skill on the list today is written communication and documentation. Writing is more than emails. It is how freelancers express ideas, pitch clients, and document their work. Clear and structured writing helps you build trust, reduces misunderstandings, and deliver value even before you speak. A true power skill for 2026. The next is emotional intelligence in remote team. In a world where most communication happens through screens, empathy is the new superpower. Emotional intelligence helps freelancers navigate conflicts, build trust, and connect with clients as well as teammates, even if they are miles apart. It is the foundation of great collaboration. The next on the list is adaptability and learning agility. Technology evolves fast, and so must freelancers. Adaptability means embracing change, learning new tools, and staying ahead of trends. Those who learn quickly and pivot easily will remain relevant no matter how the digital world shifts. The next on the list is critical thinking and problem solving. Clients hire freelancers to solve problems, not to create one for them. Critical thinking helps you analyze issues, evaluate solutions, as well as make sound decisions. It is a mental muscle that turns you from a task doer to a trusted consultant. The next on the list is creativity and innovation. Freelancers thrive on creativity. The ability to think beyond the obvious and offer fresh solutions. Whether you design, you write, or you code, innovation keeps your work original and valuable. In 2026, creative minds will be the most sought after in the industry. 35 on the list today is cross-cultural and global communication. Freelancers often work with clients across continents. Therefore, understanding cultural nuances and communication styles can make or break relationships. It is about respecting diversity, avoiding assumptions, and building bridges across cultures. The next is project and program management. Every freelancer is a mini project manager. Managing timelines, deliverables, and expectations ensures smooth work and happy clients. Learning structured project management from Trello boards to Gantt charts elevates your professional credibility. Next is Agile and Scrum methodologies. Agile and Scrum aren't just for developers anymore. These days, they are modern frameworks for managing work efficiently. Freelancers who understand sprints, stand-ups, and iteration cycles can collaborate seamlessly with global tech teams and startups. Next is quality assurance and automated testing. In tech today and design projects, quality is everything. QA experts ensure products work perfectly before they reach users. Automated testing adds speed as well as precision, which is an in-demand niche for tech-savvy freelancers who love detail. Next on the list is chatbot and conversational UI design. AI-driven chatbots are the new customer service agents. That is why designing friendly, natural, and efficient chatbot conversations requires creativity as well as user empathy. Freelancers who master this will shape how humans interact with machines. Number 40 on the list today is voice interface or voice UX design. With voice assistants like Alexa and Siri growing, the future of UX is voice driven. Voice UX designers create seamless voice experiences that understand and respond naturally. It is a perfect blend of linguistics, psychology, and technology. The next on the list today is AR, VR, immersive experience design. Augmented and virtual reality are redefining how people learn, shop, and interact online. Freelancers who can create immersive experiences from virtual reality classrooms to um, augmented reality product demos will dominate the next era of digital engagement. The next is low code or no code development. These days, you don't have to be a hardcore programmer to build apps because low code and no code platforms let freelancers develop software visually, fast, affordably, and accessibly. It is an innovation that is without the steep learning curve. The next is performance marketing and paid acquisition. Businesses want measurable results, not just clicks. Performance marketers use data-driven strategies to attract leads and boost sales. So if you can run ads that convert, you'll never run out of clients. 44 on the list today is remote sales and business development. Selling online is an art. Remote business development involves building trust, identifying prospects, and closing deals, which are all from behind a screen. It is the perfect blend of communication, psychology, and strategy. 45 on the list today is customer success and account management. Freelancers who maintain relationships are gold. Customer success focuses on keeping clients happy long after the sale has been made, understanding their goals and ensuring they give or they get value. It turns one-time jobs into long-term partnerships. 46 on the list today is virtual assistants and admin automation. As businesses go remote, virtual assistants keep operations smooth. So the combination of traditional administrative skills with automation tools like Zapier or Notion will help you become a productivity powerhouse for business entrepreneurs. 47 today is translation and localization. The global market needs more than just translation, it needs cultural adaptation. That is why freelancers who can localize content for different regions and help brands sound authentic worldwide are in high demand. This human touch keeps language meaningful. 48 today is online teaching, tutoring, and course creation. Education has moved online for good. Experts who can teach or create digital courses turn their knowledge into income. Whether you are teaching design, writing, or coding, your expertise can become your business. 49 on the list today is healthcare and telemedicine informatics. Healthcare is going digital, and tech-savvy freelancers are needed to manage patient data, build medical apps, as well as optimize telehealth systems. It is a rewarding space that blends innovation with impact. Last but not the least today is sustainability and green tech consulting. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it is the future. Green tech consultants help companies reduce waste, adopt eco-friendly technology, and move towards climate responsibility. It is freelancing with purpose, and it helps the planet meet with profits. And that's a wrap on the top 50 in-demand skills for 2026. The freelancing world is evolving fast, and the best way to stay ahead is to keep learning, keep building, and keep showing up. Remember, every skill you learn brings you one step closer to financial freedom and global opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Global Desk with Damilola for more insights on freelancing, skill growth, and online success. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep winning. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.